Hey everyone, all the amazing people coming here at Natural Saloon, Kumar Avail sir's brother here, Ashok Kumar. Great to meet you, sir. Tell us about your book and what you do.
So I'm happy to meet you, Akshay.
Thank you, sir.
So we are known as the Sachet family, and my father, Chinni Krishnan, is known as the father of Sachet revolution. Way back in the 70s, he came out with the brilliant idea of a sachet shampoo, and that was the pioneering effort what he has done. The reason behind this, he saw a few urchins, small boys playing in the street with a matted and unclean hair. And he asked them, why are not using shampoo? Immediately the boys said, what is a shampoo? So that occurred to him that the luxury of a shampoo a common man should be able to afford. So, what a rich man enjoys, a common man should be able to afford. With that grand vision, with that noble vision, he came out with this sachet concept. He fabricated a machine and spent a lot of research on making the packaging. Packaging was the major innovation what he has given to this industry. The market size was only 5 crores when the shampoo industry, the national market was there. From there, after the sachet intervention, the market today has grown around 20,000 crores.
Wow, wonderful.
And all the categories of products, jams, squashes, cough syrups, oils, pickles, so many categories have come. Even brands like Horlicks and Amul, they started bringing their products in a sachet. And really, India is a country where there are more than 80% or the middle and lower middle class people. They cannot afford a bottle or liter of a shampoo, but they can buy a shampoo at 1 rupee. The wonder is, uh, even after 50 years, the shampoo is still sold at 1 rupee.
Wow.
So even we have successfully broken the myth of inflation, the theory of inflation, and the sachet shampoo gives a value for Indian 1 rupee. Even a beggar will not accept 1 rupee nowadays, but Indian 1 rupee has a value because of the sachet shampoo. All products have prices have gone up, but only 1 rupee shampoo's price stays there. So that is one major contribution by the sachet shampoo industry. And we have started way back in the early 80s.
Okay.
What today our Prime Minister talks about, the Make in India, Startup India, Stand Up India, Digital India, all this we did it. Our brothers, our father's vision we carried, and more than 500 small scale units were there. We have transformed the luxury of a cosmetic industry. It was in every backyard of a small house was a shampoo factory. We successfully removed the luxury tag of shampoo, and now a common man can afford a shampoo. So that is the kind of impact revolution what CK family has created.
Wonderful.
So rightly, my father is known as the father of sachet revolution in India. And one more thing is, he has not patented consciously. He has not patented the innovation because he says this should reach all the common man. After our introduction into the market, so many brands of shampoos have come, and today shampoo, as we can proudly say, has enhanced the GDP of India, and India has seen so many revolutions: blue, green revolution, white revolution, and sachet revolution has definitely contributed to the economy of India.
Absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing it.
Yeah.
And guys, do check it out. It's available on Amazon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, do check it
So,
out.
the book it will be published in Tamil, English, Hindi, and Japanese. So Japanese
Wow.
also like the sachet concept, and soon it will be available in Japanese language. And we have a project called J-Ho, that is Japan, India, and America. Hopes and opportunities. We give lot of cross promotion of startups in these three countries, which has unique in its own. Japan has its own manufacturing capabilities, and Americans have come out with a lot of marketing ideas, and India has its own strength of the dharma, the core values. So all these three things is a formidable combination, what we call J-O, hopes and opportunities. And this model will be given to the world, and this is what we are going to give to the startups of India.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. And do check it out, guys. And that's all for now. See you. Bye bye.
Yeah.